We're pretty quiet here. I think maybe till next weekend. Doesn't mean we may have a shower or two on Friday, but man, this is just some great stuff. So, weather watcher Sean Ash with the picture of the day here. Caught this on my my walk here this afternoon. Yeah, it was nice. A lot of folks out on the canal taking advantage of the sunshine here on Easter Sunday. It's been great. Our streak of sunshine will continue, and we're going to hold off on any really decent rain chances, I think, until next weekend. Cool nights, mild afternoons that will be warming eventually into the 70s and eventually close to 80 degrees middle part of the week. Right now, this is perfect weather in my book. 64 degrees, a dew point in the 20s, so the air's dry. Refreshing east wind, 10 at times 15 miles per hour. Average high of 62. We were at 65 after the morning low of 40, so the dry air, you get the cool nights and you get the rapid warm up and big swings from lows to highs. 62 in Richmond, almost at 70 in Bloomington as well as Terre Haute, and no big weather across the Ohio Valley, and really you have to get in the central part of the country, and it's only a few thunderstorms right now. So a pretty quiet weather pattern on deck. In the upper levels this week, high pressure is going to be spreading over, and that's going to promote some warming afternoons as temperatures will eventually climb into the 70s here. So your Monday, just about a carbon copy of today. Cool start. Kids will need the light jacket in the morning, won't need it for very long. We're almost at 60 degrees at noontime, and I think we'll tack on another about 3 degrees to daytime highs for tomorrow. Now the high that's giving us at the surface, giving us the quiet weather, eventually will slide to the east of us. And as that happens, the wind wrapping around it starts to come in from more of the southwest direction here. So on Tuesday, we should make it well into the 70s. And on Wednesday, perhaps upper 70s to almost 80 degrees. Notice we're still dry there on Wednesday. A lot of sunshine on deck. That front that you see back to the west of us middle part of the week will not get in here till much later on. Now, still looks like it's mostly dry on Friday, but that's when we introduce our next chance. It's just that, a chance, about a 30% chance, late day, where we could have a shower. Once we get into the weekend, we'll start to see that rain odds ramp up a bit heading into Saturday afternoon and Saturday evening. And that will be with a front that will eventually move through here next Sunday. And as it does so, a trend to some cooler conditions here, but in between now and then it is smooth sailing. We've got you at 68 on Monday, pushing 70s there on Tuesday, Wednesday upper 70s, Thursday right now looking like a great day, pushing almost 80 degrees. We'll see you with another forecast coming up here at the end of the show.